Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR to repair. Today I'm doing a starter on this 2007 Acura TL. I'm about to show you how to do it. KGR, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe. Be a part of the team. KGR, let's go get it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take off this battery. Anytime you're taking off the battery, it's always good to do the negative first. In case your tools that you're using touch anything, you wouldn't have no spark. So it's always good to take off the negative first. Take off that, snap that boy out right there. Then you can come here and take off this. Also, you can leave that, but to be on the safe side, take everything off. So the starter is located right here underneath here. Let me show you. The starter is located right underneath there. It's held by 214 both. So the starter is like this on the wall. So I'm gonna have to move this hose a little bit and go ahead and dig up that boy now. KGR. I'll be right back. You see the starter right there? So I'm losing it with 14 right now. So you want to back up a little bit? So,
I see, what are you doing? You check the engine?
I'm doing a starter.
Huh?
I'm changing the starter.
Changing the starter?
Yeah. The first both. I'll go underneath right here.
You're so nosy. I don't understand that shit, man.
Yeah, somebody working on his car. He left his car. He didn't ask no question, but he coming here to ask me what am I doing. That's funny. You want to be concerned about your own vehicle. Well, anyway, so I'm taking out the second 14 bolt right now. That's the second one. Right there. So, yeah, I know. My tooth dropped down there. So here's the starter. So whenever you're doing this starter, it's good for you to take off the oil gauge because the starter is right there, so you don't break it. So once you lose that 14, the 214, you can pull up the starter just like this. Try to make some room.
So you never even have to take off the battery?
Yeah, I just take off the terminal head.
Most of the time.
I don't want to do all of that. I can do it just like this. So lift up the starter like that. Almost out. KGR. So for the sake of the video, I took off the battery so I can be able to see better. So now I'm going to take off this 12. Yank out the starter. Use a socket for that. Take out this one. Thank God it's not that cool today in New York City. It goes for a couple of days. Okay, see the starter is coming out. So there is a bracket right here. So that bracket is holding the starter not to come out. So what I did was to slack up that 14 volt so this bracket can move around. So once that bracket moves, you have enough room to sneak out the starter. So here's the starter right there. So the starter is laying against the wall, just like this. So we're gonna bring the new one, match it up, and then we'll start to install it back. And back up the camera a little bit. Sorry if my video is a little shaky. So the owner got a new one, bought it from AutoZone. So the new starter I'm about to bring out. So she bought the new one from AutoZone, Jewelers. So anytime you buy a starter, I always match it up, make sure. So what I always look out for is a pin. So look down on this hole right here. There's a one pin right there. You look down here also. There's a pin right there, and on top of it is a 13. So you turn it like this. So there's a key. If you see, there's a key right here. This key right here is very important, because once you put the starter in, this is the key that holds it. Once that key lock up there, you can put on the bolt and everything will work out right from there. So that's it, KG Auto. So we're about to install the new one. Forget to mention also, there's a washer that goes in between the starter. It says right there. So be mindful of that in case it fall off. Just remember to put it back in right there, and it should be good. All right. So KG, I'm trying to put the washer right here too.
All that.
Just like that. So the washer.
Mama, no, let me call it back. Let the carpet. Let me call it right back.
So now we're gonna go in and install the starter.
Yeah,
We're
come
gonna
to me do the work. You know,
just
nothing
like
to keep
this.
alive.
Then there's some room for yourself. Play the wiggle again.
Right, of course, yeah.
On this now with a 14. Power gun. So we can move a little quicker. We got a power gun right there.
I'm not, how can I say? I've always been a supporter of you guys, no matter what. I love y'all together. I really do. I love what y'all got. But it's been so long that I've given up hope. Looking on the outside in, I've given up hope.
This is far enough. Drop down. I'll put this on me one day. You know? Alright, so that's right there now. So this ratchet is very good, this long one. It helps you from breaking your back. So I can stick that boy right there. Right there. Okay? Got it? So the starter is in beautifully well. You see right there? See? Boy sitting around real good. So we're gonna put that 13 right there. Then we'll put that switch right there. And then we'll tie this back. So we put a battery. Get this pin right here. I'll show you. Don't forget that pin right here. See that pin right here? So the pin goes right on the starter. See right there? This pin. Put the pin right there. Sometimes it's so difficult. 'cause I'm using one hand to video it. I'm using the same hand to, so that's the pin right there. The pin is in now. So I'm gonna tie this right there, tie that. Then we'll put the battery. That will be pretty much it. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, KGR. So that's pretty much it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the battery and we're ready to crank the car. So put this right there. Bring the battery. Put the battery back there, just like that. That plastic right there, there's a hole underneath there, so anytime you don't put it right, the battery will be kind of wiggly. But once you put it right, that bad boy is going to sit right there. So we put this back in here now. Back. Snow in New York City. Do you like the winter? Or do you like the winter or do you like the summer? If you like the winter, I'd love you to leave a comment down. Just say winter. If you like the summer, say summer. Let's see how many summer we're gonna get and how many winter. KGR, be a part of the team. If you like winter, just say winter. If you like summer, say summer. Let's see who's gonna win the battle. Let's see who's gonna win the battle. So always remember to put the, until you take out the battery, always remember to put the positive first before the negative. Or the ground, when you put that, if you put this first, even when you mistakenly tie the battery and your tools slip off from your hand, you're good. You're not gonna get no spark. Because once you put the other one and you tie this, once it touch here, you get a spark. But like this, it won't get no spark. So once you put that in, now you can put the ground, right? Just like that. So. So that pretty much complete this job right here now. We look good, everything look good. So go ahead and start the car.
Start the car?
Yeah, start the car, make sure everything is running, then we're good to go. I see right there, KGR. I see the vehicle started, everything running beautiful. So this is KG Auto Repair. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, be a part of the team. KG Auto, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace. I'm out.